Hi everyone, welcome back to my channels. Ever wonder how a simple container can a revolutions and way to store things? Well, today we are diving into the fascinating world of dry storage container, and trust me, it's not as ordinary as it sounds. Stick around till and end because I have got a special reward for you that you would not want to miss. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal about a dry storage container? But let me tell you, these unassuming boxes hold the key to preserving and protecting atom in a way you never imagined. From a keeping you snack scrappy to a safeguarding important documents, the uses and endless, and that not all there is, there is a science behind it, and we are about to unreveal the mystery. But before we dive into the nitty gritty detail, have you ever found yourself frustrated with the steel chips or damp clothes? Imaging have a solution that can change that for a good. Well, you are in the right place. I promise by the end of this video we will be equipped with the knowledge and can upgrade your storage games. So, we are you ready to unlock the secret of dry storage container? Let's get started. And there is a deal. If you watch till the end, I have got a special surprise for you. So it's a game changer that complements that we be exploring the today. Trust me, you would not want to miss out. Now hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumb up, and let's jump into fascinating world of dry storage container together. These unassuming boxes hold the key to preserving and protecting the atom to never imagine, from keeping your snacks crispy to safeguarding important documents, the use endless, and that not all. There is a science behind it, and we are about to unveil the mystery. So I have got a special reward for you, and you are excited for this video. Thanks for watching my these videos.